Hi, this is Mark Zamuto with Career Collaborative, and this is a video on one of my favorite Chrome extensions called SpeechPad. It is a voice-to-text resource. To find it, you go straight over to your Chrome web store, punch in SpeechPad, and go ahead and add it. The thing I like most about this as a resource is its accessibility. Ultimately, as soon as you open it with something as simple as a right click, comma, it starts converting voice to text. Period, new paragraph. There's a variety of different ways that this can come in handy, like if you're thinking about how to prepare for your next interview and you want to capture what you want to say. Period, new paragraph. Or maybe you're working on a capstone project and you wanted to draft out thoughts, comma. Perhaps you want to draft an email and you have been typing in your inbox all day and you just need a break. Period. New paragraph. You'll find that the accuracy of the recording is quite good. Just know that you'll definitely want to revisit and edit accordingly. And then when you're done, you just press stop. It's super fun and easy. So, SpeechPad, there it is. Thanks for watching.